Python mysqldb, library not loaded, libmysqlclient.18.dylib. I just compiled and installed mysqldb for Python 2.7 on my macOS 10.6. I created a simple test file that imports. Firstly, this command is red underlined and the info tells me unresolved import. Then I try to run the following simple Python code. When executing it, I get the following error message. What might be the solution to my problem? Edit. Actually, I found out that the library lies in. So I need to tell my PyDev Eclipse version where to find it. Where do I set this?
I solved the problem by creating a symbolic link to the library. The actual library resides in. And then I created a symbolic link in. Using the command. So that I have the following mapping. That was it. After that everything worked fine. Edit. Notice that since macOS El Capitan, the System Integrity Protection, SIP, also known as rootless, will prevent you from creating links in lib. You could disable SIP by following these instructions, but you can create a link in instead.
My preferred method is to actually fix the library rather than playing with environment variables that may or may not actually be in scope depending on how the application is run. This is actually a fairly simple process. First, look at the error output to see where the offending Python module is located. Importer, break time equals 1s/2 library not loaded, libmysqlclient.18.dylib referenced from, break time equals 1s/reason, image not found. Okay, so the offending file is. Next, figure out where _mysql.so thinks it should find libmysqlclient.18.dylib. So, it's looking for libmysqlclient.18.dylib with no path information. Let's fix that. Now _mysql.so knows the full path to the library and everything works, regardless of environment variables.
I found there was another solution for this problem rather than creating a symbolic link. You set the path to your directory, where libmysqlclient.18.dylib resides, to dyld_library_path environment variable. What I did is to put following line in my .bash_profile. That's it.
In my case, I was getting the error with macOS X 10.9 Mavericks. I installed MySQL Community Server directly from the Oracle MySQL website from DMG. All I needed to do was symlink the lib files to the local lib directory. Bonus, if you're running macOS X as well, there is a great tool to finding files like the libmysqlclient.18.dylib file, this URL. This is how I originally found the location of the dylib file.
I found putting this in your .profile or .bashik, whichever you use, is the easiest way to do it. Symlinks are messy compared to keeping paths in your source files. Also compared to Yoshusev's answer, most of the time, when MySQL gets installed, the MySQL directory should be renamed to just MySQL, not the whole file name, for ease of use.
If you want to support the channel, Please consider liking and subscribing.